We're watching the winds this weekend. A red flag warning has been issued across much of the Central Valley with strong winds expected through the weekend. Fire crews say that combination of wind, low humidity and dry grass could allow for any fire that starts to spread quickly, right? Nina Burns is in Stockton where people are busy in the breeze getting ready for the wind by clearing out the dry brush.
As soon as those warnings were issued, we saw multiple property owners here in Stockton come out and start mowing their lawns and ripping down long dead weeds like these. Now, the National Weather Service says wind gusts could hit up to 50 miles per hour in some areas this weekend, with the strongest winds expected Sunday. So this really is just the perfect storm for fire danger. We're talking strong winds, low humidity, and plenty of dry grass ready to burn, meaning just one spark from a car or even a power line could start a fast-moving fire. And CAL FIRE says under these conditions, that fire can quickly spread, and it's not always dead grass.
You know, this can be deceptive. You see the green out here, which looks great and it's well hydrated. What you don't see is that there are layers and layers of dead grass from previous years of spring growth and summer dying, and all of that is waiting to burn, sort of like a haystack, and that is throughout the entire Valley of California.
CAL FIRE urges everyone in the Central Valley to be precautious this weekend. That means not starting any fireworks and putting off any lawn maintenance. If you have any tools that could spark, wait until next weekend.
Good advice, Nina. Thank you.